Hey guys, Jaden back here for another video, and today we are back with strucid. Yay! I built this thing, but someone broke it, so I'm not gonna build it again. I used all my wood on it. Sorry for making you record in the middle of a game. So sorry. I know you guys are bored. You probably don't even want to watch this video right now. I already know it. But I'm insane with my aim, so you should watch. Do you guys want me to go to streamer mode without talking? I can do that, I don't mind. I'll probably only talk when I die. Ash, get it, boys. We bully me. This is my third time recording this video. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. We're gonna go for try 4. I'm just kidding. Bye guys, try 4. I'm just kidding, got him. For this video, I'm gonna go streamer mode. Dang, you ain't gotta steal my kill. Got no more wood. Come on, please be gun game. Please be gun game. Please. I want to be gun game. Come on, please gun game. Please. Not even gonna be gun game. Gun game. No, not even gun game. Bruh. Wait, if I get on the tree, please don't be destroyed. Please don't be destroyed. Yo, build. Okay, you dead. Bye. Oh, on a tree. Oh, it was so close. Right here. Land on the tree. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, it's gone. I can put another one. Oh, okay. Sure. No! Why does this always come up? What am I pressing that brings it up? I'm gonna figure it out. And whatever. Guys, really? This is how you guard something? Okay, good. Now I'm dead. Now I can go back to my base and protect it. Man. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Alright, bets. No, no. Bye! Bye, Felicia! No one called you. Why you freaking really bully me? Okay, come on. Please let it be gun game now. Please let it be gun game. Please, I'm begging you. No, why is it never a gun game? Oh, you're right here? Bet. Edit that, I bet. I dare you. Oh, you already did? Bet. Oh, you think you cool now? You think you cool? Bet. Watch these 90s. Yo, viewers. Look, watch these 90s. Oh, this kid wants to smoke. Bet. Oh, you're like, what? Yo, guys, yo, what is this? What is this? Watch this be Spawn Island. This is this little crate Spawn Island. I'm so curious. I'm curious too. Dude, I almost just had a panic attack. No! Oh, that's Spawn Island. Yo, I'm about to go back there, but nah. Oh, this kid wants to smoke. Really, fam? Boom. Imagine I hit someone. But I don't got them skills to do that. Peoples. Aw. Like, I want to make a little box. Oh, okay. You want to come at me? Oh, snap. Bye. Oh, that would have been a good shot. Bye. Oh, that's not what I meant by bye. Oh, I'm right here. Oh no, this is the guy that like freaking one hits everyone. Bye. My game is lagging so hard. Sorry, guys. Like how I said I'm gonna go streamer mode and stop talking. That's not possible. I'm sorry. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to see when we get into gun game. Peace. Wait, actually, first. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go see when we get into gun game. Guys, I was waiting for an hour. There's still no gun game. Like, come on. So, just play. I'm gonna play this last game. Because I want to play gun game, and me and my cousin are gonna go make some more videos on Gang Beast. So yeah. Wait, what? I hate when it's like. Bye. Yeah, so I hate when it's like blue and then it shows green. I mean, yeah, it shows green and then, like, why you bullying me? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, let me get the last hit. Let me get. Ah! Oh no. This guy got away. This guy got away. And now I'm in the water. Guys, I'm just gonna end off the video here. I'm sorry if this was a boring one, but I'd like to say peace and goodbye.